Hello again. Today we're doing Lab 5, the Newtown Creek Titration environmental water sample to determine the amount of chloride ions. This is Lab 5. So the goal today is to determine, as the title says, the amount of chloride ions from our Newtown Creek, which is a superfund near LaGuardia Community College. So we're going to put our analyte of interest into our Erlenmeyer flask. So we're going to put some of this 10 mils of Newtown Creek water into our Erlenmeyer flask. We're going to add some indicator, potassium chromate, into our Erlenmeyer flask. And then we will titrate with silver nitrate, 0.2 molar silver nitrate. So we're going to put the silver nitrate in our burette. Beforehand, I have pre-rinsed this burette with water, as well as pre-rinsed it afterwards with a little bit of silver nitrate. And now I've just filled it up with silver nitrate because that's going to be our titrant going into our analyte. So let me just add a little bit more so we get it up to the 0 mark. So I have my funnel. Going to add a tiny bit more to get it up to the 0 mark. Then we're going to add 10 mils of our analyte of interest. We're trying to find the chloride ions in here, the concentration. So we're going to use our technique we learned in Lab 1. We're going to pipette out 10 mils. So I would go above the line. I'm letting go of the liquid until I get it to the 0 mark. And then I will add it to our Erlenmeyer flask. Now I'm going to add 3 to 4 drops of our indicator. I know it says to use a magnetic stir bar, but I'm just going to use by hand to mix. I have a white background so you can see the color change. Again, I'm looking for a reddish brown permanent color. We'll see this as we begin to titrate. So right now the reading here is 0.00. We're going to do this 3 times, but I'm going to do one trial for you. So we titrate. Then you see some red forming. However, when you swirl it, it disappears. We want a permanent reddish brown. And again, the first trial is just to give us a rough idea. When we do it the second and third time, we want to be more precise. We want to add drop by drop. But now we're just trying to get an idea of how much silver nitrate we need to add to get this permanent brown red. So right away, we've already seen this permanent brown red. To me, it seems a bit dark. It's a little bit subjective. But here I have added, looking at the lot mark, about 16.32 milliliters of our titrant, which is silver nitrate. So this is the color we're trying to observe. It's a little bit dark. I'll do it again to get a lighter color, to get a better idea. But that's basically how we do a titration. And I'll show you in a few minutes what data we collected for you to do the calculations. Thank you.